In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to your button and card. Icons are a quick way to add visual cues to your calls to action, making buttons easier to spot and understand at a glance. We'll use card's built-in options so you can get a clean, consistent look without any custom code. Start by opening Card in your browser. From the home page, choose Open Dashboard to access your sites. This takes you to the place where all your projects live, so you can jump right into editing the one you want. Inside the dashboard, click the project you want to work on. That opens the site in the editor. On the canvas, select the specific button you want to edit. Clicking the button brings up its settings in the sidebar, which is where all the styling and content options are controlled. In the sidebar, go to the Appearance tab. This is where Card groups visual controls for the element you've selected. Look for the setting that currently says Label Only. Open that dropdown and switch it to Icon plus Label. This tells Card to display an icon alongside your button text. Now head back to the Button's Elements panel. If the controls are collapsed, click the small arrow to expand the customization options so you can see everything related to your button's content and icon settings. This just reveals more options. It doesn't apply any changes yet. Find the icon dropdown and open it. Card offers a curated set of icons designed to look good at small sizes and remain sharp on all devices. Browse the list and select the icon that best matches the action of your button. Think download for files, arrow or external link for navigation, or a cart for purchases. Clear, familiar symbols help users understand what happens when they click. Once you've chosen your icon, click Done. You should immediately see the icon appear next to your label on the canvas. If the layout looks a little tight, keep in mind that the default spacing and alignment are optimized for most sites. For consistency, try to use the same icon style across your page, and pick icons with enough contrast against your button color so they remain readable. That's it, you've successfully added an icon to your button and card. This small enhancement can significantly improve scannability and click-through, especially on mobile. If you're updating multiple buttons, repeat the same process for each one to keep your design cohesive. Thanks for watching and enjoy refining your buttons with clear, purposeful icons.